In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Docusign. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step of the process, making it as easy and straightforward as possible. Let's dive in. First, as you begin your journey to access Docusign, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, navigate to Google. In the Google search bar, simply type in Docusign. It's a commonly used tool for managing electronic agreements, and you'll find it right at the top of the search results as it's a popular service. After typing in Docusign and hitting Enter, take a look at the results that appear. You should see Docusign's official page among the top options. Click on the link that leads you to the Docusign main site. This step will take you directly to where you need to start the login process. When you arrive at the Docusign homepage, you'll see options on the interface, and what you need to do here is find the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter your login details. Now, type your email address into the field provided. This should be the same email that you used when you initially set up your Docusign account. Be careful to enter it accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you've typed in your email, you'll notice a button labeled Next. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Next, the system will ask for your password. Here, enter the password associated with your Docusign account. Make sure that your caps lock isn't accidentally turned on, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you happen to forget your password, there's an option on the page to recover or reset it, so don't worry. After you've entered your password, go ahead and press the Login button. With a successful entry of your email and password, you'll be taken directly into your Docusign dashboard. And that's it. You're now logged into Docusign and ready to manage your documents. Before we wrap up, let's cover a quick tip. Always log out from your account once you're done, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. This ensures that your data remains secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Have a great day managing your documents.